My name is David, and I got my CDL with the Driving Academy, the best. I got the CDL because my job, it was not good, and it's not enough for me to sustain my life with it. So I got it to move on for better position now from before, because I have my CDL. I got my CDL Academy class because of Maria and Omar and Fabio. They helped me a lot here, and when I asked them the question, they willing to help me immediately, and this is good blessing. And if somebody wanna come here, easy to learn from them, and so humbling to learn from them. Thank you again. My driving academy got me to the road of freedom. Thank you again.
Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, make sure you hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel. It's really going to help us out. Click on that button. And if you want to continue yourself on your road to freedom, here's more videos to watch. There's endless amounts. Hopefully we get to see each other one day very soon. Thanks.